There's one thing that makes an old-fashioned better, having it in a proper glass. This crystal whiskey glass is perfect. Some people say that the right glass makes the drink taste even better. I might believe that after tasting this guy. Now, look at the ridges on this guy. Now, this crystal is lead-free, and this guy holds 12 ounces, which is perfect for an old-fashioned, especially when you have a big whiskey block of ice in there. So this is a nice pour with my old-fashioned, and there's plenty of room. I've used some glasses where it's filled almost all the way up to the top, and that's no good. There's plenty of room for this guy. I like the ridges. I don't know if this is scientific or not, but it doesn't seem to sweat as much when I hold it. And the feel of it, oh, it's magical. I'm gonna have another sip. That's great. Now I do want to show you, here's an empty glass, so you get more of the effect. At the bottom, it's just beautiful and it feels great. But I want to show you something else that really impressed me about the glasses, and that's how they come, how they're packaged. So they come in a box like this, and you see the thick foam, and then watch this guy. So pull the foam out, and look at that. The glasses are so safely packed in there, and then you pull this guy up, you can see how snug it is. Oh yeah. So you've got the other two glasses. So this one is a set of 4, which is perfect. Can't wait to have some friends over and enjoy some old fashions in these glasses. If you can't tell, I'm excited about these glasses. I'm impressed with them. I highly recommend them.